Dear readers, read this book and try to understand how to develop yourself for your future, though this word future is itself unestimated and not to be speculated, yet try to peep into it. Definitely we are living in such a world where nothing can be predicted. Unpredictably we are marching ahead. Sometimes it seems as some supernatural power is cooperating and supporting us to move ahead. Now I can clear my motto to write this book. Long experience and life left behind, it seems that I may be helpful for my students and youngsters to some extent to live a better, smoother life, though I am not an astrologer, not a saint nor a spiritual personality. Anyhow, in my long journey of life as a teacher, as a mother, more than that a well-wisher to the coming new generation, it will be an effort to contribute something to the society. This is my request and an advice to the parents of children as well as to their teachers to read this book and guide children who are definitely the future of this country. This book is divided into 3 parts: _ for children, youth of the country thinking for their development. Second part for parents _ thinking for children, their future HOW to make it safe and fruitful but sometimes confused how to be successful in their mission. Lastly, third part for teachers _ though highly educated and professionally trained yet feel perplexed sometimes how to tackle some students in class. Myself a self-motivated person to write but thankful to both of my sons _ right and left arm to me who always inspired me to write this book for young generation. 8. For children. Children are the most precious assets for their parents. As soon as they come in this world, parents feel themselves happy and most lucky people. Without children their life is dull, motionless, hazardous. Therefore, children are the most powerful blessings and gifts accorded by God to them. To maintain it and to develop it into success demands sacrifice and their devotion to them. Children as soon as enter into this world feel it difficult to move forward while moving. Each child is a gift of God to the society, shaped by God but finally reshaped by society. Each and every one thinks to do their best in the fulfillment of their upbringing. Parents cradle their dreams with their children. Therefore, children have to understand them, they have to develop and reshape themselves according to the framework as designed by their parents. This can be achieved by following some steps given hereby __. 8. Try to understand __. Children must try to understand the feelings and emotions of their parents. Never forget that they are your best friends and well-wishers. Moreover, they are more experienced. Your dreams,